All right, drink we're about to make is called Stinky Weasel. That sounds nice, doesn't it? Set up a shot glass. We're going to serve this neat directly into the glass. So measure out 1/3 of a shot of tequila. And follow that up with 1/3 of a shot of 151. It's 151 proof rum. And follow it up with 1/3 of a shot of lemon juice. There we go. The lemon juice should accent the tequila really well. Now we're going to give it 2 dashes of sugar. Sweeten it up a little bit. And if you'd like, you can take a straw or two and try to mix the sugar in. And if you stop it, it's not really going to dissolve in there, but you at least want to just disperse it throughout the shot and then just take it right away after you do that. So, got it shaken and take it down. Bottoms up.